Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX. Come aboard and take a closer look inside. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. This boat is equipped with sea deck. Here's your rear storage compartment, batteries, additional flotation devices. We also have another storage at the step. There's your battery on-off switch. This is a great place to store cell phones and stuff, folks. Nice big sun pad on the back. This boat is equipped with a 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower Merc Cruiser engine. Additional storage to the starboard. Cooler storage underneath the rear seat. Nice thing about this boat is it has additional storage on the starboard side, self-bailing. As you can see, plenty of cup holders around. We got a nice big ski locker underneath. The twin captain's chairs with baluster seats. Notice the nice stitching on the bulwarks. This boat comes equipped with a Fusion stereo, USB 12-volt chargers on the helm. Also comes with a 8-inch Simrad. This boat is equipped with Merc Cruiser vessel view as well. Ample sized head. Coming forward under the boat, you'll notice the nice stitching by the grab rails on the bulwarks on this boat as well. It comes with courtesy lighting throughout the boat. Additional cup holders. If this is a boat you'd like to take a closer look at, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.